So now we will teach you how to replace the 32-inch touchscreen. First step, unplug the machine. Second step, unscrew and open the cover. First step, cut these rows. And be attention, do not cut the other wires. Cut all these plastic binders. After you cut all the plastic binders, unscrew all these screws to take out the cover. We take it out, have somebody hold it, or it will fall. Okay. And unplug all the wirings of the Android board. Before you unplug all the wirings of the Android board, please make sure to take a picture so that when you replace the screen, then you will plug all the wiring back to the board. So these screws, you can use a lighter to melt them, and it will allow you to unplug it easier. And also take those wirings of this board as well. Unplug all the wirings of all the boards here, including this one. And when you take the wiring, make sure to keep these tapes. Okay, when you take these wirings, you need to pull out, put it upright, and you can take it out. To do it very carefully. And then unscrew the Android board and all the other boards. Push the two heads and pull it out. And loose the screws here a little bit. And keep unscrewed the screws above. Take down the parts one by one. Now you can start to lose these two rows of screws, but have another people to help you to hold the screen, especially the screen inside these transparent screens. Have somebody to hold it steadily. hold it, and start it. Put it out. Watch out these two wirings. Okay, take it out slowly. Okay, start to take this stand out. And take this ball out with attention, slowly, because we use the glue to attach it. Okay, take this out. You still need it to replace it back. Now take the stand out and replace a new screen. And this ball comes with the new screen. So put the stand back on the new screen and then put the screws back on the cover, on the stand. And put this ball back on. Use a glue or anything to attach it steadily on the screen. Okay, now put the new screen back on the machine. Yeah, with two peasants. Put it back. And these two wirings should penetrate to the stand, and which will be connected to this ball. After that, put the screws back on the cover. This case may happen. You see this screen fall. So when you replace this new screen, make sure you have some. So when you face this case, this glass fell down. Have somebody to hold it, to hold this glass. This is the screen, and somebody unscrew. You need 3 persons. 1 person to screw, 1 person hold the glass, and 1 person hold the screen. So this glass, this is a touch screen. So when you fell down, loose the tape a little bit and push it upward to. So make sure there's no such things above. So put it a little bit upward to make sure it has no. Okay. So somebody has to hold the glass. The person put the screen back on. If you leave the fingerprint on the glass, you need to wipe them out before you put the screen back on. We know it's very difficult to hold this glass, but please find a way to do it. So I'll adjust this glass, this touch screen to the right position. It's very difficult. You can use more tape to hold this glass. Same for the above. Wipe the fingerprint after you fix the glass. Have 2 persons hold the glass and another person put the screen back on. And put the screw back on. After you put one of those screw back on, check the screen at the front. See if the touch screen is in the right position. Okay, now put all the screws back on. And put the other metals back on, metal part. So after you put all the screws and the metal part back on, and we plug all the wirings. According to the photo you take before you unplug all the wirings. If it doesn't help, please let us know.